How to cancel Apple TV subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Apple TV subscription. So for that, all you have to do is just open your App Store, and after that just go ahead and click on the profile icon from the top right, and you will be prompted to the account settings of yours. And after that you will see these three options: purchase, subscription and notification. So just go ahead and click on subscriptions, and there you will see the list of all the subscription and the paid application that you have in your Apple Store. So as you can see that I've currently in my Apple TV 3-month free trial period. When you click on see all plans, you will see there are two plans, monthly and yearly. So in order to cancel your Apple TV subscription, all you have to do is just click on cancel free trial. In your case, you must be having a purchase subscription of Apple TV, so you will get the option for deleting or canceling your subscription. But in my case, if I'll click on cancel free trial, I won't be able to access my free trial of the Apple TV which is currently going on. So if you're okay with that, so just click on cancel free trial, and here it will ask you for your confirmation. So yeah, basically this is how you will be able to cancel your Apple TV subscription. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.